Hosts provide hardware resources such as CPUs, memory, disks, and networks and run virtualization software. Their statuses determine the statuses of ECS instances running on them. During routine O&M, Huawei Cloud proactively forecasts and prevents hardware and software exceptions and risks on hosts accommodating ECS instances. If the exceptions and risks cannot be avoided, the system generates and reports events for the affected instances to prevent resource unavailability or performance deterioration from affecting your services. You can select an event handling method based on service requirements. To implement self-service O&M, the system generates and reports different types of events based on the system O&M or detected host risks. Different types of events have different impacts on instances. Instance redeployment: instances will be restarted. If the instances use local disks, the data on the local disks will be cleared. You need to back up data in advance. System maintenance: the hosts will be powered off, and services will be interrupted. You need to bring services offline in advance. Local disk replacement: faulty local disks will be detached and data on them will be cleared. Ultra-high I/O instances will be stopped and become unavailable. Hosts accommodating bare metal instances may be powered off and restarted. After the system reports an event, the event status will change based on user or system operations. An event can have the following statuses. Pending authorization: inquiring means you need to authorize the event execution, and you can schedule a start time for the execution. To be executed: scheduled means the system is scheduling resources. Executing means the system has completed resource scheduling and is executing an O&M task. Execution succeeded: completed means the system has completed the O&M task. You need to check whether services are affected. If an exception occurs, contact technical support. Execution failed means the system O&M task failed to be executed. Cancelled means the system canceled the O&M task. You can view event details including the event type, instance ID, and event status on the ECS console or the Cloud console. After receiving an event notification, you need to understand the risks and impacts of the event. Backup data, redirect service traffic, or pre-process local disks in advance based on the handling suggestions. Then select an appropriate time and method to handle the event. After the event is handled, check whether services are affected. If an exception occurs, contact technical support. Thanks for watching the introduction of ECS Event Management. For more information, visit Huawei Cloud Help Center.